It's your girl CHAB, and today I'm coming at you with a review on the new Wet n Wild Mega Jelly eyeshadows, and I have all 7 with me today. I'm gonna be talking about them, I'm gonna be swatching them, I'm gonna be showing y'all all these colors right here, and I'm going to tell y'all about it because I pretty much use every single one. I'm wearing one today, look at that. So if you want to know my thoughts, if you want to know the tea, if you want to know if it's right for you, for me, if you want to know if it's worth your money, hunty, then let's get started. All right, guys. So as always, I have the information pulled up on my phone. We are talking about the Wet n Wild Mega Jelly eyeshadows. If you don't want to hear me ramble and rant and read the big 3 R's on this product, you can see it too here. You're welcome. Anyway, so I got my phone right here. It's on the side. It's an autopilot. It's a new one. It's a llama. Let's talk about these products. So here we have Ulta's website. Hello, how you doing? This is Wet n Wild Mega Jelly eyeshadow. It is for $4.99. Pretty inexpensive. You're welcome, Dad. It has 0.17 ounces right here. It comes in 7 shades, and I have all 7 shades here today. It says details. Do you desire high-intensity eyeshadow color in a fun, innovative, and dynamic formula? Is achieving the perfect smoky eye or multi-dimensional glitter eye look on your New Year's resolution list? So consider the Wet n Wild Mega Jelly eyeshadow your first W of the year. Oh, Jesus. This fun to use and easy to apply gel texture simplifies the complexity of applying glitter eyeshadows with its glide on and set tendencies. The secret here is the infusion of pearl suspension technology that makes this shadow glimmer and glow with multi-dimensional shine and set to a smooth powder-like finish with real staying power. Anyways, it says benefits here, featuring a unique high pearl suspension that provides intense multi-dimensional shine and gives the formula an automatic wet look. You know I love that wet look. A crease-resistant, long-lasting formula with true staying power. Infused with cucumber herbisol extract and chamomile herbisol extract for their soothing and nourishing properties. I don't know about that. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, fragrance-free, and vegan. Thank you, Wet n Wild. It says how to use. Begin with clean hands and your favorite eyeshadow primer. To apply, gently tap into the Mega Jelly eyeshadow pot with your finger or brush. Apply first to the inner corner of your eye and gently swipe the eyeshadow out to create transparent shimmer on your lids. For more coverage and intensified color payoff, layer until you achieve the color of the consistency you desire. That's enough reading. Let's get on with the review. So I have all of the eyeshadows here today, and I would like to swatch them for you guys because these are eyeshadows. They're beautiful and stuff. Today I am wearing the blue one. This one's called something blue. It's literally like, look, this one's called something blue. It's something blue. And like on my eyelids right here, y'all see that? I'm not good. I did apply this with a brush here. So it's literally a synthetic brush right here. As you can see, there's the color right there. Pretty much all I do is just pat the eyeshadow on the lid and stuff, and it made it nice and really intense. I like to use it that way. Let me talk about the packaging really quick here. So it comes in this little pot. When you open it up, a little, I guess, stopper right here. So you kind of just pull it off. And then you have the lid and then this. I would probably keep this on just because you don't want this to kind of dry out and everything. Now I was a little skeptical about jelly eyeshadows and stuff, and let me tell you why. Click the link up above in the eye right there because y'all already know I did a review on some jelly products. And Now this formula is different. It's a completely different brand. So anyway, the consistency is definitely like a jelly. So when you look here, you can see that it's like a gel, but it's kind of like bouncy just a little bit, but it's definitely not like an actual cream and stuff. So anyway, let me start swatching them right here. So this one is called Something Blue, and let's just put it on my hand. So they say on the website to kind of swipe it on and rub it on so that it's like a sheer finish, and then you can also layer it on. But like, look at that. That's hella pigmented. So this is definitely like a cobalt blue. You could see some of my skin peeking through, but like they said, you just layer on some more and it'll give you some more payoff. So I'm gonna layer on another layer. There you go. So that is Something Blue. Look how beautiful that color is. Next color I have is called Dethroned. This is Dethroned right here. It's a purple. So again, when you take it out of the container here, it has the little stopper right there, and you just pop that off and you apply it. Boom, bam. So that's just one layer right here. Beautiful. And then we'll add a second layer. So I do want to mention that when you are applying a second layer of this eyeshadow, when you're using it, you don't want to swipe on the second layer, otherwise it picks up. So for instance, let me show you right here. When you start to swipe, it starts to kind of lift a little bit. You see how my skin is peeking through? You want to pat it in so that way the color is more concentrated. So especially applying it on the eyelid and stuff, you definitely want to like gently pat on the lid so that way the product doesn't lift off your eye. So next color that I have right here is called Code Red. This is it right here. It's like a cool garnet shade. I really like this color right here. I wore this as an eyeliner one day and I think it was very beautiful. What I noticed throughout all of the eyeshadows here is that they all have different finishes. So in the description of this product, it says that some of them are like very glittery and stuff. Some of them are glittery and some of them are actually more shimmery, like almost metallic. More metallic than anything else actually. So for instance, this one right here, Code Red, there isn't any trace of glitter in it. It's just straight up metallic. Versus Something Blue and Dethroned, they have some glitter to them. But this one right here is just straight metallic. So I love Wet n Wild because they have such great names for their products. So this one right here is called Just Rust Me. Oh my goodness. So again, with this one right here, there isn't a glitter in sight, all right? This one is just straight up metallic. I'm gonna wipe my hand off. Guys, just 3 more, promise. Next one we have right here, this is called Champagne Diet. This eyeshadow, I've worn this the most just because I feel like it's the most like everyday wearable. This is Champagne Diet. My goodness. Now this one, you could actually see just a tiny bit of glitter in it amongst all the metallicness. This one's called Wedding Season right here. It's a nice like champagne-y pink. This is also one that I've been using quite a lot. The issue with this one though is that it's a little chunky. Like when you apply it, the color is really pretty, but as you can see, it's not completely smooth. It's a lot of chunks in there. So you really have to work with it in order for this eyeshadow to really work, especially on the lid. I find this product is best, like this particular shade is best used with a finger versus a brush, just because you really have to smooth it out. Finally, last one. This one is called Dirty Martini. It's literally the color of a dirty martini. It's like a nice old gold. That one is Dirty Martini. You can see that there's really, really fine glitter in it. It's a really nice like old gold, like brass color. I just want to show you really quick. If I take my hand and try to rub like this one right here, this one should be dry. This one doesn't move. It's actually like completely set. It's not smudging or anything. I do have just a little bit of glitter coming off, but not a whole lot. So that's pretty good. Every time I do swatches, I gotta wipe off my hands because I feel like I'm gonna end up touching something and it's gonna get everywhere, and girl or boy, hashtag love wins. So I've been testing out these eyeshadows for about a week and a half now. Every single color I've used on my eyes. And the one I have obviously right now is the blue one, Something Blue. It doesn't crease. Like these eyeshadows do not crease. It's really, really easy to use actually. The only one that I have a problem with was the Wedding Season color right here, because this one is hella chunky. I don't know what's wrong with this. Maybe I just got a bad one, because all the other ones, it was so easy to use. I literally just have to, you know, take a little bit on my finger and just like pat on my eyes. This one right here, it was just so hard. I could use these other ones with a brush or with a finger and it will just work fine. No problems, no issues. I can blend it out, smoke it out, things like that. I could wear it as an eyeliner with no problem at all. But this one right here, here for some freaking reason. It's just real chunky. Other than that, it doesn't transfer or anything. Once it puts down on the eye and sets, it doesn't budge, but you really gotta work with this one in particular and kind of smooth it out. Like I said, maybe it just had a bad batch or something. I did purchase all of these at Ulta. Wherever you have a Ulta and they carry Wet n Wild, that's where you'll find these. I don't know if they're at Walgreens or CVS yet, but yeah, I really like the color selection here because these are fun colors, but at the same time pretty wearable. Even the blue and the purple and stuff, they're pretty wearable. I like to use these sometimes to create like pops of color. So whether I want to do a wing liner, or if I just want to do like a center halo eye situation, or if I'm just trying to, you know, just not even a wing liner, but just a little tiny liner and stuff, and you pop on your lashes, you're all done up and stuff. It's beautiful. For the lighter shades, especially like Champagne Diet and Dirty Martini, and even wedding season, I like that you can just kind of put them on really sheer and they add like a very glossy texture. So for instance, Champagne Diet, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. You just take very little and you really like rub it in. It creates like this just wet look, and imagine this like on your eyes, like it's really beautiful, like just like a nice wet look. You know I love me that wet look. Like, look at my face. My favorite shade of all of them, if you want something that's hella wearable, hella beautiful, you can kind of wear it every day, or if you want to dress up your look, I would definitely get the Champagne Diet one. This has like the best formula out of all of them. Very inexpensive, $4.99. You can't go wrong. Honestly, you can't go wrong. So anyway, let's go to the final conclusion and if I recommend this to you guys. So no. Alright guys, so how do I feel about the Wet n Wild Mega Jelly eyeshadows? Drama roll, please. They are CHAB approved. You can't go wrong. $4.99. I definitely recommend them. I say out of all of the colors, I will recommend to you the Champagne Diet right here, because number one, having a Champagne Diet, girl, if I had a Champagne Diet, I would be skinny by now. Hashtag not sponsored. I don't know. They're really fun to use. You could do an editorial look. You could do a fun smoky look for every day. These guys, like, I'm gonna rub my eyelid right now. They kind of transfer, but not like that much, you know? Like, I have hooded eyelids and stuff, and it didn't transfer up here, which I think is pretty good. I definitely recommend y'all go check it out and stuff. It's inexpensive. You can't go wrong. It don't got no bread products, okay? It's gluten-free. No wheat, rye, or barley. I learned that when I was working at a restaurant about gluten-free stuff. No wheat, rye, or barley. So if you got celiac, don't worry. If you try to lick this, you ain't gonna get hurt. So anyway, leave a comment down below. Have you guys tried this already? I've been very skeptical about trying jelly products and stuff, but I was like, you know what? Let me jump on this really quick. It's Wet n Wild. I'm usually a fan of a lot of their stuff, and it's only $4.99. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding hit the notification bell because y'all girl make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. Hey, it's your girl CHAB, and today I'm coming at you with the first what? Freaking hate, my nose keeps running. Should we do ASMR? That's so weird because I'm just rubbing this on the tip of the microphone.